We are at a pivotal point in history. The survival of humanity depends upon the divine feminine rising, where we choose peace over war, love over fear, connection over separation, unity over division. In the restoration of balance between masculine and feminine, things shift. We come back into harmony with the earth. Women are rising up in droves demanding change. Women are using their voices for good. And we cannot do it alone. We must come together as a collective worldwide sisterhood. But there is a major sister war happening on the planet. It's kind of like a Cold War. Women shunning each other, talking behind each other's backs, being catty to one another. Women have been pitted against each other for centuries, and today, many women do not truly feel safe with other women. It's been passed on through generations. That's why we at Sistership Circle are so committed to healing the sister wound by addressing some of the sister crimes we commit to perpetuating this sister war. Now that may sound overly dramatic, but until every woman in the world has the experience of real and authentic sistership, where she is loved, accepted, and celebrated as herself, we've got work to do. Together, we must turn the sister war into sacred sistership, where we honor one another, celebrate one another, support one another, open our hearts to one another. Instead of gossiping behind each other's backs, stabbing one another, stealing from one another, competing against and comparing to one another. When will it end? When will women see the truth that we are allies, not enemies? That each and every woman on this planet is sacred? That we are all in this together? We must stop perpetuating the sister war by doing the work, confessing to our sister crimes, making amends, forgiving ourselves and one another. It ends with me. It ends with you. It ends with us, our tribe here at Sistership Circle. So are you in? Will you take this stand with me to do the work for the collective so we can all rise up into our power?